So, today we are flying down into Sydney for the premiere of Mary Poppins at the Sydney Lyric Theatre. I finally decided, well, if we're doing these things every now and then, might as well document them, because they're fun. I'm heading down with my sister Ali, and both of us are very excited because we love musicals. It's very engraved in our family. I mean, my brother starred on Broadway over in New York. I've done more musicals than I really care to admit, and I think me and Ali sing Disney musicals in the car almost every day. So we're looking forward to it. Our flight's at 12, so we should be getting to the airport around 3. We're hoping to check in. The red carpet starts at 5:30. Definitely gonna need a few drinks for that one. Show starts at 7? Was it? 7?
7. Yeah.
7. Sweet. Well, I need to pack.
I feel like I'm like a lawyer. I'm gonna take all your money. Option number 2. Shoes, not sure.
I reckon those.
I wear masks.
So we've just arrived at the Vibe Hotel down in Sydney. A bit of a vibe. We have about an hour and a half until the show, so it is time to start getting ready.
Just called the over to the event on the way to the red carpet.
We smacked a couple espresso martinis in the lobby to get ready, because who doesn't need that? Time to go. We'll see you there. Well, we've just made it back to the hotel after what was an incredible
Amazing
show. You can say it was supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. So we're back. It was practically perfect, and thanks to a very generous insider, we have secured some passes to
The after party! Woohoo!
Guess we'll see you there. It was a bit of a crazy night.
We didn't even say, we didn't even update that we went to the after party.
Oh no, I did all that.
Oh, did we?
Yeah.
Oh.
The after party.
Okay.
Alright. Good night. Well, it's time to head back, so we're on for travel montage number 2, and I will update you on the situation when we get back. after a very fun night in Sydney, we finally made it back to the Gold Coast, albeit a few days late on this update because I ended up getting sick. Anyway, thank you for joining us on this extremely exciting adventure. We've got some more fun stuff coming up. A feature film premiere for the Elvis movie and a surprise trip to England and a little detour to Europe. Anyway, all of that is for another day. We'll see you soon.